Hello friends, today I am going to make Gobi Manchurian, means cauliflower Manchurian. So this is pure veg dish. So for that we need cauliflower. Please wash the cauliflower in boiled water. In boiled water just add few salt and then dip the cauliflower in it and wash 2 to 3 times to clear all the insects, dust in it. So for this we need cauliflower and we need maida, which is refined wheat flour. We need corn flour powder, we need red chili powder, we need black pepper powder, ginger powder, garam masala powder. We also need capsicum, we have chopped it. We need coriander leaves, we need the stems also. We need spring onion, see how I have chopped it. We need salt, ketchup, green chili paste, ginger paste, red chili sauce and soya sauce. So first we will prepare the batter. So let's start. So first we need to prepare the batter. So first we will take maida and then take corn flour. Now we will add garam masala, red chili powder. We will add ginger powder and pepper powder. So now we will add water and make the batter. So friends, the batter is almost ready. Now we will dip the cauliflower here and we will fry it. We have heated the refined oil and now let's fry it. So friends, now our cauliflowers are cooked and we will take it out. So friends, now we will make the sauce for Gobi Manchurian. So for that we need ginger paste. So we have taken little bit of oil. Now we will add the capsicums. In that we will add the green chili paste. Now we will add the spring onion. And the coriander leaf stems. Now we will add a little bit of soya sauce. Ketchup. Now we will add red chili sauce. Now we will add little bit of pepper powder. We will add a little bit of salt. Now we will add hot water. Now to make the sauce thick, we will add cornflour butter. Now we will add the cauliflower. Hi friends, so our cauliflower Manchurian or Gobi Manchurian is done. Please make this dish in your home. Please like my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you friend.